Crouses, Hank and Suzy Crouse through Coach Keller, and then they also are always at practice, always cheering at the games and stuff.
They're familiar faces that you see at basketball practices, obviously at games, competitions, and their passion for SFA and athletics in particular is second to none.
Hank and Suzy have done an unbelievable job of taking our players, putting their arms around them and trying to help them. And it's really a neat thing to watch their relationship grow, you know, between our player and between Hank and Suzy. And I think that's, you know, really pretty cool.
It was very meaningful for me, you know, to have somebody that doesn't really know me or know who I am willing to help me, and really to just really buy in and pour into me is really big.
Hank and Suzy's donation to SFA athletics and to the weight room, you know, it can't be boiled down in one or two words. You look at it in totality, you know, 3 sports won championships that live in that room.
The new weight room just gave me a new opportunity to elevate my game, because coming from the old location where it wasn't really suitable for us to really reach our full potential, having this new facility allows us to maximize our potential.
Our players have a great nickname for it. We call it the Crouse House. And it's a really cool moniker for, you know, I think it's the greatest weight room in college athletics.
But it will live for a long, long time. People will ask who those people are. We can talk about them for quite some time. And so it affects generations of student athletes.
And the university as a whole. It's why it's made it 100 years and why this place is such a special university. And Hank and Suzy are a big reason why this place is one of the greatest universities in the United States.
And our players certainly appreciate it more probably than Hank and Suzy Crouse will ever know.
Coming from Dallas to Nacogdoches, they really invited me into their homes and also into their lives. Little Miss Crouse and Hank's personality, you know, making it laugh, having good laughs, having good memories, sharing good times, having great dinners with them, you know, just being my grandparents away from home.
If Hank and Suzy were sitting here today, I'd just say 3 words. I love you both. I guess that's 4. It's why I'm a coach and not a teacher on campus.
I would just tell them thank you, you know, because they didn't have to do what they did. They did it out the kindness of their heart, and not a lot of people do that. And I would just tell them thank you, and I very, very much appreciate it.